listen, completing with others. Others means not just only your father, mother, husband, wife, brother, sister, the human beings around you. We will start the completion with everything with which you are living. Your wealth, your health, your bag, your seed, your pets, your car, your house. Please understand, all these are living part of your life. They may be dead objects, but they are living part of your life. See, a house may be a dead object, but it is a living part of your life. How many of you understand what I am saying? It's a very important component of your life. First, we will start completion with all the human beings with whom we are living. First step, completion with everything. With every human being. First thing you need to do is deciding, I have to bring completion with others, with whoever I am living. I have to bring completion with whoever I am living. Even if they don't want, I will stretch my best and I will decide I am in the space of completion. Whenever they want, I am open to have them. I am open. I am going to be in the space of completion. Whenever they are also ready, it will become completely complete. Understand? Completion with others does not mean you are going to apologize to them. No. Apologizing is not completion. Asking sorry is not. So many people were saying, I want to apologize, I am sorry. No. I am sorry is not completion. I am deciding to drop hurting pattern in my life. Or any incompletion, misunderstanding, anything, I am deciding to drop and I am deciding not to bring them, not to give life to it again. See, past, you can't say you are wrong or you are right. No one can say you are wrong, you are right. It is not apologizing. It is not feeling sorry for the past. No. Deciding, I am dropping this incompletion, hangover of the past, and I will not allow this to happen once more. Completion is actually responsibility, not apologizing. See, apologizing or feeling sorry comes out of powerlessness, but completion comes out of responsibility. Understand the difference. Please listen, see the difference. Now when I am saying you need to complete with your mother, with your father, with your brother, with others, I am not asking you to apologize. I am not asking you to call them and say, oh sorry, oh sorry, oh sorry, bus bus. No. No. Feeling sorry comes from powerlessness. That is not completion. When you call, you explain, this is what has been perceived by me. Here, I am not interested in looking into you are wrong or I am wrong. That will only create more and more anger, hatred and suppressed violence. I am only saying one thing. I am ready to drop the past and its powerlessness, incompletion. I am declaring I am dropping the past and I am complete. I don't have incompletion. And I will not create any incompletion anymore. Your decision and declaration, when it reaches them, you will suddenly see they also open up and start coming towards completion. But first, you need to be prepared. The first step, preparation for you. Sit with any one person in the hall. First invoke your mother in that person and complete. Then go to the another participant and invoke the father in the person and complete. Don't invoke everybody in one person. No. One person, and with whoever you need to complete. Here, complete. Then, without the person, sit with the mirror and invoke that person in the mirror. Invoke your mother in the mirror. Talk loudly, not silent completion. No. Talk loudly as you are talking to your mother and complete. Invoke your father. Talk loudly as you are talking to your father and complete. Listen. First step. With the participants, you will sit and do completion. Second step, with the mirror, you will sit and talk and do the completion. Third, only you are going to call them and start talking to them. How many of you understand? First, do the first step and second step. If they are dead, by invoking in the mirror, if you do completion, that's enough. And if there is a legal problem, calling them, they may record and create a problem. You don't need to call them. If you know that they are still alive and if you have the ability to reach out to them, you should reach out. First, you don't even go to that step. Let us first do these two completion. Then you will have a lot of questions. I'll answer them. I'll help you to do these two completion first. That will take away the anger and vengeance and misunderstandings and suppressions you have. Let that come out first. Let you be healed. All that spicy, chilly anger, vengeance, everything will come out through the words. You will be ready to complete. If you directly now call them, you will only pick up more fight and come back with more mess up and incompletion. How many of you understand that? That is why I am not going to let you call them now. You will start reasoning with them. You are wrong. You are wrong. You are wrong. End of the call, more incompletion. First, even if your relative or the person with whom you have to complete is in the hall, you will not talk to them directly. You will only sit with persons, other participants, and then you will only sit with the mirror. Then I will have one more session answering your questions, and I will also be doing a Shivoham process to heal your past. That part of the brain which records strong emotions. I'll heal that part with the awakening of the Kundalini. Then your tongue will have the sweetness, honey. Then you should call on honey. Otherwise, honey. The honey itself will be so frightening. It won't be like a honey bee. Completion is not feeling sorry, feeling powerless. For example, you are going to call your mother. Sit with her, explain from the beginning what all incompletions you developed with her, make her understand very clearly you are responsible for it. And you are dropping it. You are not saying sorry. You are not becoming powerless about it. You are saying, yes, I am responsible. I don't want to get into who is right, who is wrong. Even if you are wrong, I am only responsible. I am dropping the past. And now I want to start the new space with completion. Understand? I am dropping the past in completion. And I am starting the new space with completion. See, when you call, before you call them, I will give you instruction. Simple introduction. You tell them, I am going through a meditation program where I am supposed to complete with myself and all the relatives So I am calling you, just add 2-3 lines. You are important person, part of my life. So only when we are complete, I can be complete. Now I am calling you. This has happened. Now I am realizing who is right or who is wrong is not the thing. I am responsible. So I am deciding to take the responsibility and bring completion. Understand? The other person should not feel you are weak. Other person should only feel you are taking responsibility for it. Now what I am saying, even if that person has done something wrong, he is the reason for the incompletion, but I am going to be responsible for the completion. So I am not bothered about you. You may be the reason or not, but I am going to take the responsibility for completion. I am not responsible for the abusal I went through, but I am responsible for the completion which I am going to bring now. Even if the other person is wrong, we will take the responsibility for completion. That person understands, accepts or not is secondary. It is you come to the completion space.